Now let me explain this. We're still on macroeconomy, so today we want to talk about national income statistics. When we talk about national income statistics, it's only about measuring the output of a country, but within your border. So everything we're going to measure is based on Libya. So the national income statistic of Libya are the measures of goods and services that are produced in Libya. That is national income statistic of Libya. Do you get the point I'm making?
Yes.
So it's a statistic that measures the country's outputs and activity through measures such as GDP, GNI, and NNI. GNI and GNP are the same, gross national product. So for GDP is the measurement of the PPC, which is the measure of the total market value of goods and services produced within an economy. So the GDP measures the total value of goods and services you produce in Libya. Then we have GNI. For GNI, it is GDP plus net income. And when we talk about net income, we're talking about net income earned from the Libyans abroad. Do you get GNI here?
Yes.
GNI is GDP plus net income abroad. So the residents, the Libyans that are living abroad, what they earn plus what is being produced in Libya is what we call GNI. Do you get GNI? Then we have NNI, which is GNI minus depreciation. Depreciation comes based on the assets, the capital investment. So here I go. NNI is GNI minus depreciation, which is consumption of fixed capital. So the equipment, the factory that is owned by Libyans abroad, it depreciates in value. So when you calculate depreciation with the GNI, then you have your NNI. Do you get it? Some Libyans have investment abroad. They have rent, they have building, they have factories abroad. They have equipment abroad. They have. So the wear and tear of this asset has to be deducted from the value of the assets, because this is the value of the asset, GNI. So here, when you take depreciation away from it, then you have your NNI. So NNI is GNI minus depreciation. I think it's clear.
Yeah.
Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Please be here. Then we have the ways to measure our GDP. How do we measure the GDP? We can measure it through output, method, income method, or expenditure method. Method is the same as measure. Do we understand? So for output measure, it sums the value added by all industries. So whatever is being produced in all the industry in Libya is output. We have income measure, which sums income earned. Your rent, wages, the profit, the interest, even dividends. These are income that is earned by Libyans. And the last one is expenditure measure. For expenditure is about our aggregate demand, which is government spending plus consumption plus investment and net export. For net export, it is export minus import. So that's expenditure method. Is it clear? Thank you.
I have a question.
Yeah.
How do you calculate GDP, like the actual formula?
The total GDP is the value of the goods that are produced.
Oh, that's it.
The value. You know, you have volume. The volume.
Okay.
So if the volume is 1,000 and it is sold for $5, that's the value to get it.